hot wing. Hot wing. So, I just got done listening to a video, right? And in the video, the dude talks about how he doesn't pay for cash for any of his vehicles. I think he said he got a Ferrari, he got a Range Rover, he got a Mercedes, and I think he got a Porsche or something like that. So y'all already know me. That's the type of stuff I like to hear. And I watch the videos so I can learn as much as I can, because many times, and this has happened quite often, many times in the past, my bad, many times, stuff like that, I would have definitely wanted to know that, like, 10, 15 years ago, because the majority, and I think I'm just like most of y'all, you don't really believe that, you didn't really believe that you would be able to afford stuff like that.
Always a pleasure.
That's Jibo, the robot. And to be totally honest, I didn't realize I would be able to afford something like my Mercedes that I have right now. So much so that, like I told someone the other day, I was nervous in there buying it. I had to go to the bathroom. But I also had to ask myself, like, dude, why are you nervous about a car? And at that moment, I realized that I had a limiting belief or a mindset. And in that mindset, I might have been looking at the cars and stuff, which helped. It definitely helped. But by me looking at those cars, it helped to change my, what they call a paradigm shift. And like I said, I was nervous, but the thing about it is I took the first step, meaning I took action. I took action to go up there. And there was 2 cars I wanted. I got one of them. That's my Mercedes S-Class. And then the other one was the C7 Corvette, right? The C7 Corvette, man, I enjoy the way they look. So much so that I even test drove one. I put the video on there. I'll probably link it up here somewhere, wherever. But I actually test drove one. And that was the car that I wanted. So me doing what I do, learning from different people, and I'm gonna try to speed this up a little bit so I can finish eating. The guy said, what you need to do is you exercise your beliefs. So if you believe that that these are the things that you want to see in your life, go test drive the cars. Go to these houses. I took my daughter to see a $2 million house, a couple times. And it just so happened that one of the times when I was going, I didn't really think I was going. No, I signed up for it. I emailed to talk to the dude online and said that I wanted to test drive it. But I didn't even really look at the price for the Mercedes. So I thought I was getting, the Corvette first, because you think, I'm gonna get the lesser one than the more expensive one. And it just so happened it didn't work out like that, because it's one of those things, like when you're changing your mindset, you consistently keep in front of you what you want. And I was watching Vehicle Virgins. I was watching a couple other videos and stuff. And I liked the way the S-Class looked, the coupe. So much so I had videos, I was saving stuff online. I would watch it quite often. And so when I went up there to test drive the car, it was a deal that I couldn't pass. I didn't even realize that I could get it. And that's what I'm saying. It's like, it goes past faith. It's just like, do you have faith in gravity? It's just like it. And I got that from a Nipsey Hussle song off that Crimshaw album. When you put your feet on the ground, and you stand up, you just know, because it's like it's gravity, because without gravity you couldn't stand on the ground and you couldn't stand up like in space. You see what I'm saying? So, like I said, dude, I was nervous, but since I did it now, what do you think is happening now? I didn't pay nothing. Meaning, I didn't put no money down. So I was able to get that Mercedes, no money down, like I said, from the other guy I was listening to, watching the videos. So this is why I watch these videos. And this is why I conversate with these people like this. Because I want to learn some of them rules. I want to get some of them jewels. You know what I'm saying? I want to partake in some of this other stuff that I didn't realize that I could get. Like I said, with this chain. So it's going to hold its value. So it's not necessarily an investment, but it's one of those things where I start spending my money on the stuff that's going to hold value, that's going to create income, like assets. When I was young, all I thought was a house is an asset. Until I read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Until I read some of the other books and I started learning. If it don't bring income, it's not necessarily an asset all the time. But you have to base it upon what you do. Like I say right there, learn from the best. So when I watch these videos, I read these books, I'm not necessarily just grabbing some knowledge. I'm changing my mindset. And by changing my mindset, it puts me at a higher level, a vibration, higher energy, higher motivation, higher inspiration. And I start making different moves. I start thinking a little different. I start imagining bigger. So by doing that, like one dude said, the sky has never been the limit. I think there's Walt Disney. We limit ourselves. So whatever you want to get and whatever you want to do, start imagining exactly what you want to do and where you want to get at. Just like I did with these hot wings or these lemon pepper wings. I was going down the street in my 6'4", no, it's flat. I was going down the street and I said, you know what? I want some hot wings or some lemon pepper wings. I'm a fitness guy. I'm in the best shape of my life. But I said, I want these wings. So I splurge. I go get these wings. I got 12 wings. And I'm eating them all. But like I said, you focus on exactly what you want and don't worry about what other people are doing. They might not support you, so what? They might not reach out and talk to you, so what? It's like I learned, eagles fly alone. I learned about a golden eagle yesterday. That's what's up. You keep looking for what you want and start believing it. You don't know. You really don't know what's inside of you. There's something inside of you that wants you to be great. So I tell folks, I say, man, I don't even let people talk bad about me or about them in my presence. Folks say, I can't, you can't do that, or they can't. I say, man, I learned from Henry Ford and a couple other folks. When you say I can or you say I can't, you're right. It's whichever one you choose to ride on. So don't limit yourself, you know? And if you want a Ferrari, you want a Lamborghini, you want a Mercedes, you start somewhere. You take action, and you head in that direction. And you don't stop. You keep going. You keep going exactly for what you want. Don't worry about folks say, man, how much money is enough? I want more than enough. I want my cup to overflow. I want super abundance. So I can be a blessing to everybody, to be a blessing to others every day of my life. That's what that infinity on here means. It ain't no 8, but it's something wrong. It's something with that 8 also. You see what I'm saying? My supply is infinity, for God is my supply. So when you start talking that talk, you start making those steps, stepping out on faith, kind of like Steve Harvey say. You jump, so your parachute will open. And everything I do, everything I learn about, that's what I'm looking at. So when I talk to folks and they say, "Oh man, why is he always talking?" That's why. I'm seeing people do the impossible. I'm seeing people do the impossible, incredible, be amazing consistently. Why would you want anything less than the best? And it's funny too. That's the slogan of Mercedes-Benz.